How to add product variant in ipshopy. Step 1. Visit ipshopy.com and navigate to the Business Center. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button in the Business Center. Step 3. Enter your email ID and password to log in. Step 4. In Seller Dashboard, click on Catalog icon and select Product option. Step 5. Click on Add New button. General section. Product name. Enter a clear and precise name for your product. Description. Enter an informative and catchy description to attract customers. Key highlight. Mention the key features of the product. Data section. Model. Enter the model number or model name of your product. SKU ID. Enter the unique SKU ID for inventory management. You can search it on the internet. Location. Enter the address from where the order will be picked up, means your warehouse address. MRP. Enter the MRP of your product. HSN code. Search and enter the correct HSN code for your product from internet. Quantity. Add the total available stock of your product. Dimensions. Enter the length, width and height of the product. Actual weight. Enter the exact weight of the product. Warranty. Is there warranty available for your product? If not, then select no. If yes, then select yes. Now, select from whom this warranty is available. Seller or manufacturer. Set the warranty duration of your product. Now, add product warranty related description. Return applicable. Select whether your product is returnable or not. If not, then select no. If your product is returnable, then select yes. Now set return period. After that, enter the return policy details of your product. Replaceable. Select whether your product is replaceable or not. If not, select no. If your product is replaceable, select yes. Now set the replacement period of the product. If you want the replacement period of your product to be 7 days only, then set the replacement period of 7 days here. Replacement reason. You can add multiple replacement reasons according to your product here. Like product damage, wrong product delivery, defective item, etc. Enter the replacement policy of your product. Now, add product replacement related description. Delivery area. Select the delivery area to deliver or sell your product. All India. Zonal, within your state. Local, within your city. You can also enter the PIN code of your city or the city where you want to sell your product. Courier charges. Enter the courier charges for your product according to its delivery area. Local, within your city. Zonal, within your state. National, all over India. Link section. Manufacturer. Enter the name of the manufacturer. Category. Choose the category according to your product. For example, if your product is related to electronics, then choose the electronic category. If your product is related to fashion, then choose the fashion category. Similarly, choose the appropriate category for your product. Product condition. Choose the condition of your product. If your product is new, then choose the new option. If your product is used or refurbished, then choose the refurbished option. Discount section. In this section, you can set discount for your listed products. As for the product quantity, you can set different discounts for different quantities. For example, 10% discount on buying more than 5 quantities, 15% discount on buying 10 quantities. Minimum purchase quantity. You can specify a minimum order quantity for your product. For example, if you want any order to be accepted in minimum 2 units, you need to set minimum purchase quantity to here. Maximum purchase quantity. This option lets you specify the maximum number of units a customer can order. Example, if you do not want to sell more than 10 units per order, enter 10 units here. Price. Set the discounted price according to the quantity range. This way you can control the sale of your product according to the minimum and maximum purchase quantity. Date start. You can set the discount start date from here. It means you can set the date from which you want to start the discount on your product. Date end. You can set the discount end date from here. It means you can set the date from which you want to end the discount on your product. Selling price section. Provide the final selling price of your product that is paid by the customer. FAQ section. Add frequently asked questions and clear answers to those questions. Image section. Upload high quality image of the product. Add variant. Now, click on Create Variant button. Enter the variants like color, size, etc. And click on Confirm button. Final step. Check all the entered information carefully and click on Save Variant button. Your product is now submitted for review. ipshopy sellers team will verify your listing and approve it soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to ipshopy for more useful tutorials, seller tips and new updates.